Good morning, everybody. I am, as you're looking at my stuff right here. I am currently waiting by my front door. It's my new front door. With my craft show items because my friend and I took the day off and we are going to help set up the craft fair venue. This is a jury craft show. We've never participated in one before. We're both in charge of the Halloween section of the show. So this is all new to us, and I'm going to film the day. Basically what the room looks like before we set up, what it looks like, you know, while we're setting it up, and then what it looks like at the end when it's all put together. So we're pretty excited, and as you see, I don't have a lot of items for the craft show this year. My husband and I decided to move last minute, and I couldn't get accomplished what I wanted to. But I'm basically doing this show to learn and to have fun and, yeah, see how it goes. So anyway, as you see here, these are the Halloween photo holders we made in the last Halloween series video. These are my pumpkin treat totes. These are the cauldron treat totes that I have for this show. If you haven't been watching my Halloween series, a lot of the things that I made this year were for the craft show. So you may want to check that out. I'll post a link below this video for that. And also, I haven't been doing a lot of videos for my craft fair series because I've been working on the Halloween one. But also, I'm going to be doing the craft fair series all year long because there's craft, fairs all year long. Especially where I live, we have summer, spring, autumn, winter. So I have ideas for all of them, and I'm just going to continue with the series well after the Halloween one. But I just wanted to quick do a video before my friend comes and picks me up. And I'm kind of sad I didn't get a lot done. Like, I have a box down there, and that has those cork holder, photo holders in there. And then I have another box underneath that has some Christmas items, but I really didn't get a whole lot done for this show. This show's pretty much just a learning process, and, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I wanted to take you along for the ride, and I will be back to show you what the room looks like before we set up. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody, we're here at the ballroom at the La Quinta Inn, and as you can see, a lot of the tables have already been set up, and then there's shelving back here. The shelving's going to get put together, so everything looks like a bunch of mishmash right now, but it's going to be put in sections. Everybody's going to have their own department. Like right now, there's a bunch of people back here setting up the shelving displays, and I'm going to go back and help them. But I wanted you guys to know what this looks like before the vendors get here and all the crafts are in place. These things take a lot of work, a lot of time, and a lot of sweat to put together, but it's a lot of fun. Alright, I'll be back to share a little more with you later. Okay, I'm back to just give you an update on the room and how it's coming together. As you see, all the shelves in the back are all being put together. No, you're fine. Go right ahead. I'm just videoing the room. And back in there is going to be the Halloween section. This one's home decor for us. So, just wanted you to see. There's all the ladies over there putting the shelving together. So, it'll look better when everything is put on the shelves. But I wanted you to see how it's moving along. Okay, I'll be back. Hi everybody, I'm back, and I'm here to show you our section. This is the Halloween section and fall. See, it looks completely different when it's put together. I'm hoping I'm not going too quickly so y'all can focus. And then this is the actual entrance. Look at this guy. How cool is that? And then you come in here, and there's a hanging rack. Over there is Christmas, and then you go down here, and this is the rest of the room, guys.
I was in last
and
week.
This is a jury
Yes,
show.
and I canceled this past Monday.
So everything is in together with everybody else's stuff. So it's kind of cool. And like you can see, there's one of my photo boxes and with everybody else's stuff. And I'm going to turn the corner here. There's another one. So everybody's items are mixed in with everybody else's, and that's what it's all about. It's for 3 days, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I'm just quickly showing you the front of the room. It's a different angle, but before, if you guys remember, this was just all tables and shelving being put together. This is what it looks like now. This is a jury show. Everybody's items are put in with everybody else's. So we'll see how it goes. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care.